This is Red Leader. Okay, men, it's time to break escort. Mustangs coming in at 8 o'clock.
The Mustang, longest range fighter in the world. Speed, fast climb, quick dive, tight turn. A fighter pilot's dream.
The Mustangs, far in the distance, sweep the surrounding sky as they come in to take the places held by the Thunderbolts.
VMP Performance has totally nailed this Sema build 2017 Ford Mustang Fastback. That is absolutely
Enemy
beautiful.
warplanes of every kind. Once again, a better cause, better planning and leadership, better equipment, and beyond everything else, the valor of our fighter pilots gave us victory.
Track Attack is not a friendly neighborhood Mustang. Oh my God!
This is VMP's gift to the world. So we got a Predator engine. What kind of car do we got?
Track Attack's right behind us with no engine at all in it right now.
That's pretty cool.
And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are in VMP's Track Attack. And this thing is freaking loud.
What's up everyone, Chuck here with VMP, and as you just saw in the video, we are today talking about our beloved Track Attack. I know you guys have seen this car in tons of videos, we've brought you tons of content on this thing, and the last time you saw it, it was the world's first Predator swapped Mustang, and we just got it off the dyno making a little over 1,000 wheel horsepower, and like most things here, couldn't leave good enough alone. We had to continue on with this car. So what we've done today is we've actually Odin swapped the Predator engine. Now I know what you're thinking, is this the solution you guys want to bring for the 2020 GT500? The answer is no. In fact, we actually have some bigger and better things coming for that car, and we're excited to show you those here coming up soon. But here at VMP, we like to always push the limits. We like to see how far we can go with things, and we also like to do some R&D, and we like to use this car as kind of a test bed for a lot of the stuff that we develop here. So we've got Odin on here. We're going to show you the differences in IATs between the factory Predator blower versus what Odin does on the Predator engine. And we're also going to see if we can maybe set a little bit of a record for the Predator engine in the process. So now I'm going to go grab Joe, get his laptop out here, get Track Attack strapped up on the rollers. Make sure you guys check out the next video where we try to set the record. Until then, like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.